good meditation. They are sharing their experiences. Many food automatically, like what is necessary for him, for the person, and automatically from inside, you know, the wish is also come, this is good for me, this is not good for me. So if any direction come from the Shakti, perfectly, very divine. So just follow what Shakti would like to do. And also one thing is very important to understand, many people are there, they have addiction of food. So, but if something is coming from the Shakti, then also a person can become free from this addiction. Shakti guide and also Shakti gives some power to you, so you can, you can live this, you can become free from this addiction. It happen very simple way. Like many people are there, mostly in Western world. If suppose they would like to leave some drug or maybe some like alcohol, many people they would like to, or smoking, but they cannot. It's very difficult. Many people are there. It was surprise for him, because when they are trying to become free from this addiction, and very simple way, after Shaktipat they become free from this addiction. So not only like food addiction or anything, even your nature. Many people, have many impurities like ego, jealousy, fear, greed. Also, when Shakti works and try to make you free from also about this kind of thing. So to change the life, how much you are with Shakti, how much you are giving time for meditation. This is very important. So let it happen. What is happening? Enjoy. You just enjoy what is happening. You don't need to force. You don't need to fight. Just very simple way. Enjoy all transformation. What Shakti would like to do. Just enjoy. Reduce or bad quality in you. For that, you have to do lot of effort for that. You have to fight with your mind. If you would like to leave something about your food, change about the food, it is not easy. You have to fight a lot with your mind. And also, if you would like to, sit in meditation, during meditation also, because mind does not like to sit in meditation, mind does not like to become calm, so you have to do lot of effort for that. Sometimes people feel like they are fighting all the time with mind or with body. If you fight with your mind, if you fight with your habit, or if you fight with your, uh, like to sit in meditation with your mind, and this is very natural. If you fighting, the side effect must be there. Very great rishi in India, his name was Durvasa Rishi. He did lot of tapasya by force, like and he reached very good state of consciousness, but he becomes short temper. If someone tell him and he become angry, this is the side effect, like that. Sometimes I myself surprised, this person is doing this much sadhana, 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours, but not many changes in the nature. Same way in allopathic system, when you take medicines, all medicines they have some side effects. So you cannot enjoy total health because some side effect still is there. This is the quality of Shaktipat meditation because you are doing nothing, Shakti is doing. You don't need to fight with your mind. You don't need to press your mind. You don't need to force your mind. This Shakti, when it starts to work properly in your system, this Shakti works in your 5 bodies, not only physical body. So there is no any kind of side effect. Everything is changing without any side effect. Complete system. But only problem is that with this process, because we need Siddha Yogi, Siddha Mahayogi.
All effort-based path, they start from Aparavidya, and this is effortless system. Don't need to understand many things. Direct when Shakti wake up, and then you can automatically you start to see your inner world. So immediately when Shakti is, wake up and immediately start to give you. That is the reason many people are telling, "Oh, I was very happy and lot of joy, lot of bliss," and many people they share their experience, like if less fear, becoming less, fear is becoming less, jealousy is becoming less, ego is becoming less. So it's practical automatically happening. That's why Siddha Mahayoga is a very highest, sadhana. No any effort-based sadhana can reach on this level. So all effort-based system, first you have to read, and then you have to practice, and then a lot of practice. Only then you. So in the Shaktipat system, like since first day, when this bless, when mind is become introvert, and then Shakti is wake up, and immediately Shakti become active. So that's why this is very very practical process. You have to understand, like give many, like so one thing is very important to understand. Ultimately, any effort based path, ultimately through effort based path, Shakti needed to wake up, because the Shakti is the base of all path. It is the base. You have to cross the base. You have to go. In scripture they written, Sarvesham Yoga Tantranam Sada Dharui Kundi. Kundalini Shakti is the base of. So without this base, you cannot enter in a spiritual world. So this base they have in different religion, in different path. They have different name for this base. Never tell anyone that you need to face on my words. You have to believe on my word. I never say that. Like I always say, see what is happening with you and enjoy. And then you don't need to face, you don't need to believe, because you will see